This is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz C300. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6. Plus, having just come off lease, this Mercedes-Benz is in like-new condition. Its top features include a sport suspension, a sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger-side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, rear impact crumple zones, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.